Today, I'm going to show you how to set up timecode on your GoPro Hero 9, 10, and 11, as well as giving you some timecode tips for Adobe Premiere and DaVinci Resolve. First things first, you will need to download the GoPro Labs software directly from GoPro. Follow the link in the description. Once the page is open, scroll down and select the firmware for your camera version. Note that the timecode function is currently only available for the Hero 9, 10, and 11 Black. Unzip this download and copy it onto an SD card as you would a normal GoPro update. After putting the SD card into the camera, power on the camera, and the update will automatically start and give you a notification when it's finished. To utilize this new software, you will need a GoPro Media Mod. Once that's connected, go into your camera menu and select Preferences. Inside that, select Media Mod and then make sure Line In is selected. Really quickly, confirm your frame rate. In this case, I'm using 23.98. Be warned, even though the GoPro menu says 24 FPS, it's actually 23.98. The same is true for 30 FPS being 29.97 and 60 FPS being 59.94. On your TC-1, scroll over to the frame rate section and match it to the camera. Next, scroll over to the Out Type section and select A Out. Grab a 3.5 to 3.5 TRS cable and locate the mic input on the back right of the Media Mod. Once you plug in the cable, yellow or red timecode will appear on the screen. Once it turns green and disappears, you'll know that your timecode is locked in. Your timecode will now be on the left channel while the TC-1 scratch audio is on the right. Additionally, the timecode signal will be encoded onto the GoPro's internal clock, giving you timecode metadata as well. Mount the TC-1 to your camera and get shooting. Once you have the footage you need, drop it into your editing software of choice. We've already made tutorials on how to sync timecode in Adobe Premiere and DaVinci Resolve, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of the timecode buzzing in your left audio channel. First up, DaVinci Resolve. After creating your timeline, you might notice that your audio channels look like they have been combined into one. Simply highlight all of your GoPro clips, right-click and select Display Individual Audio Channels to see your left and right audio. Highlight all of your GoPro clips again and select Clip Attributes. Inside this, navigate to your audio submenu. Go to your left source channel drop-down menu and select Embedded Channel 2. This will take the TC-1 scratch audio from the right channel and replace the timecode audio on the left channel. Don't worry, this won't affect your sync at all. With that, you're now ready to start editing in DaVinci Resolve. Next up, Adobe Premiere. After creating your timeline, highlight all of your GoPro clips and right-click. Selecting Audio Channels will open up the Modify Clip window. Inside this, change your left channel's media source to be from your right channel. This will take the TC-1 scratch audio from the right channel and replace the timecode audio on the left channel. You're now ready to start editing in Adobe Premiere. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and happy shooting!